Hi, I'm Madhu. I'm founder of Aranyam. We are into the manufacturing of handmade soaps and we are manufacturing for quite a lot of clients, for retail chains, for big brands. We are being asked one question quite often, that why does soaps lose their scent with time? So actually, soaps does not lose the scent with the time. I will cover this topic in 3 points. Point 1 is the saponification method. Point 2 is the essential oils because they are mild. Point 3, the cold process have the tendency to vaporize. Saponification method, as we have explained in our earlier video, it is quite harsh method because the oils go through with the reaction along with the acids, which causes several pH level changes, and by the time soap is prepared, the process goes through a lot of changes and variations during that time. With the result, the essential oils also evaporate, no matter even if you put higher percentage of the essential oils, but they will get the impact of that harsh chemical reaction change. So number 2, essential oils, as the name says, they are quite mild as well as they are very strong, but they are the natural scent of the product. So essential oil is derived from the botanicals or from the bark of the plant or from the leaves of the plant. So it will have only that much scent which is available in the plant. It will not have that punch of the fragrance which we normally experience in the commercial scents. It will have very subtle fragrance. So that is point 1, why it is mild. And point 2 is, as it is going through the saponification reaction, and it has a tendency of vaporizing as well. So when the soaps are made using the essential oils, they definitely are mild because they will have the fragrance of the natural perfume which is available in a plant. For example, if I talk about, let us say, lavender. Lavender flower has a typical scent, and essential oil will also have that scent. But if we go for lavender scent, commercially made lavender scent, that is going to be very strong. So when we are using essential oils, they are mild. When we use the commercial scents, they are little stronger because they are prepared using some chemicals which gives a brain a reaction which makes you feel that the scent is very strong. To make it further easier for you to understand, if you smell a rose in a garden, how would that smell? And if you smell the rose fragrance commercially available in the market, how that smells? So this is the difference I'm talking about. Point number 3, as the cold process soap making method, it's a very time consuming and long method in which as 24 to 48 hours it takes to make the soap when it is ready to cut, and then 4 to 6 weeks it is to be laid for curing. So curing in the natural air, natural room temperature. So while the soaps are curing, the essential oils have the tendency to vaporize, so they do vaporize a little bit. So there will be a fragrance variation from the time it is being cut and from the time it is being packed, because the upper shell will lose some scent of the essential oil. But when you start using the soap, you will be surprised that the scent will start unveiling itself with every use, because from inside it is not vaporized, it is only vaporized from the top layer. That is the beauty of the natural soaps. Now, does this mean that the soap has gone bad? No, not at all. The soap is really good, and it is as good as the natural soap should be. So there's nothing wrong with the soap if it is not smelling that strong, because existence has given us very subtle fragrances which we can tolerate and which can benefit us, not the strong pungent fragrances which can harm us. So yes, the soap is very good to use, and you would love every next use of this soap. I hope you found my topic quite interesting. Please do let me know your comments in the comment section below. And if you've liked it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.